Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter number 13, triangles. In this chapter, first of all, we will do basics of this chapter, triangles. You know, triangle is a figure enclosed with three sides. Three sides are there, 1, 2, 3. So this is called a triangle. Okay, three sides and three angles. So that is called a triangle. Clear to all what is triangle? So in a triangle, these three are angles. You can give name. When we have to write angles, we will write like this: angle A, angle B, angle C. Now see, these are angles. These are called vertex. So vertices A, B, C, and these are sides. Which are sides? AB, BC, CA. So these three are the sides of this triangle. Next, see, interior and exterior. This is the internal part of the triangle. If anything is outside, that is exterior part of the triangle. Clear? And these points are on the boundary. This is a boundary of triangle. This is a boundary of triangle. A, B, C. These points lie on the boundary. If any point I will write here, then that will be also on the boundary. Now we will do about the types of triangle. So we can divide. Triangles can be classified into 6 parts total. 3 on the base of sides and 3 on the base of angles. On the base of sides, you can say equilateral triangle, second isosceles triangle, and third is a scalene triangle. Now we will do what is the isosceles. First is a equilateral triangle. In which all sides are equal. Like this is a triangle ABC. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Means all sides are equal. Suppose this is 5, this is 5, and this is also 5. Next, isosceles triangle. That triangle in which two sides are equal. These two, you can say, two sides are equal. So third one is a scalene triangle. No any side is equal. No sides are equal. So these are on a base of sides. 3 types are more on base of angles. First is acute triangle. Acute triangle means that triangle in which all angles are less than 90 degree. All angles less than 90 degree. Suppose this is 50, this is 40, this is 60, like this way. Okay. Second is a right triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. And third is a obtuse triangle in which one angle is more than 90. one angle is greater than 90 degree. Clear to all? Next, one thing more I want to add in this equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, we said all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then all angles will be also equal. If all sides are equal, all angles, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. But in isosceles triangle, angle opposite to equal side are equal. These two sides are equal, so angle opposite to this side ABC, angle opposite to side AB angle C, and angle opposite to side AC angle B. So angle B will be equal to angle C. We have to use this property in questions, so you have to remember angles, these two angles opposite, angle opposite to this and angle opposite to this, angles will be equal. And in a scalene triangle, no any angle will be equal because their sides are not equal. But in a scalene triangle, one thing we can say, angle opposite to larger side will be equal. This is larger side and angle opposite to this side, this one, suppose then it will be large than others. Clear to all? This was the basic of this chapter. In next video we will start next exercise.